This is a cicada. You see that thing? A real cicada. I've never seen something like that before. Gotta keep my hands still.
Cicada crawling up a tree. You gotta stay in focus, buddy.
I am.
We'll see if we pick this one up.
Can you see that moving cicada?
Be careful where you walk, buddy. It's stuck on one.
Okay, he's leaving. He has gone. Pretty much, you totally gotta see this one.
Yeah, I'm looking at it in real life, dude.
Oh, he's coming out of his shell.
But I can't really see it. It's hard to know where it's at.
What are you talking about? Let's see it. The other one's harder to see. Oh, look. It's gone to that branch.
You got it just in time.
Bye, man. This is one of my favorite days. Whenever the cicada comes. Why that eye?